Hey everyone, how's it going? Solomon Christ here with another amazing video. This one is sponsored by Blotato. That's right, our friends at Blotato were kind enough to give us an opportunity to share their incredible technology with all of you, with my AI and automation community. Me and my team are so grateful to all our sponsors. So if you've got an amazing AI app or tool or something that my audience could benefit from, please let us know. We like to share some incredible stuff with everybody who's watching and helping people save time and money. In this video, we're going to be going over Blotato and how it actually saves us a lot of time. Now, if you're a content creator, this one's for you. This is incredible because many times you're creating videos, you're creating content, but you can't do everything. And that's where these AI and automation tools really come in. With Blotato, you can actually post to up to 9 different social media platforms all at the same time. Many times we're trying to grow some high quality content while saving some time across many different platforms. And if you've ever tried this, you know what I'm talking about. You've got TikTok, you've got X, you've got LinkedIn and YouTube and all these other ones. And every one of them is a different size or different scale or different type of format. It gets pretty confusing. Now in this video, we're going to be showing you how to use Claude to actually connect up with Blotato and get everything generated based on your brand, your voice, your image. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in.
All right, so here we are, and this is Blotato. And when you actually start off, you just set up an account here. This is what it looks like. You're going to be asked a question, how do you want to actually post your stuff? Do you want to use the Blotato website or do you want to connect your AI tools? And then there's this little, learning pop-up here. And it's, a great opportunity for you to kind of think through the process. Now, in this case, we're going to be using Claude, but you can use so many different other tools to actually connect up Blotato too. You can use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, you've got N8N, you've got so many different ways that you can actually connect this up. You can even use some of the agentic harnesses, like those AI agents like Hermes and OpenClaw. So that is a really, really cool thing for those of you who are using those systems. You can actually connect it up to Blotato as well. All right, so when it says, are you following a tutorial? Use my link. That's right, use my video link. And then the people at Blotato are going to see it and they're going to say, wow, everyone's coming in from this video. And then everyone's going to say, yes, Solomon Christ is the best. And if you don't know the video name, just type in Solomon Christ AI. And there we go. Hit continue. And now this is a section that I recommend you take some time in. You want to go through everything that's here because the more information you can provide, the better the output's going to be, especially if you're auto-generating some stuff. Like you could do some really cool things such as auto-generating some infographics or even some additional, B-roll video content. So it's really, really powerful for that. All right, so I'm going to put in my information now. And now we're in Blotato. So there's so many different ways that we can actually create content with Blotato. But the whole point, the main reason why I'm using it, for example, is to make my life easier when pushing out content to several different platforms. The nice thing is you can make visuals from templates, you could create with AI, you could schedule your posts, which is the area that I'm looking for here. Plus you could use the API as well. And we're going to be using that as well using Claude. So let's go ahead and let's get started.
All right, so now in this step here, we are now inside of Blotato and we have to actually now connect up all our different social media accounts. So I'm going to be connecting about 4 or 5 different accounts here. Specifically, I'm going to be connecting up my X, I'm going to be connecting up my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Threads. So these are the ones that I'm going to do now. So we'll be right back once I connect them all up. Now, here we are at this moment here. And as you can see at the bottom, I've got all these connections already done. And so it's as simple as just clicking on these actual links, and then it just connects up those accounts. So now there's another tab here called My Brand, and I recommend filling in as much information as you can. That's going to help us out, especially when you're actually talking to AI to generate stuff. Go ahead and do that and enter the information here. So our goal right now is to save time. And the challenge I have is I've got a lot of different videos that are always being produced, and I don't want to create content and it just takes a lot of time. So I'm going to show you one of the videos that we're going to test out today that is called The History of Modern AI. And if you haven't watched that yet, I highly recommend you go and check out my YouTube channel today and check that video out. All right, so now at this point, this is actually an important part because we're going to be using this inside of Claude or any other MCP type of tool. You can use this in Codex and other places, but we're going to be using Claude Desktop to be specific. I'm going to keep it really simple for those who are not technical. And then we'll get into a little bit more deeper dive for those who are technical, but I want to keep it simple. Okay, so now for this one, we're actually going to be using the API. And in this case here, in order to do that, you need to go ahead and click on the API tab just like that. And now, as long as you've got a paid account, you're going to click on Generate API Key. So let's go ahead and do that now. There we go. So as you can see here, this is the API key. Of course, mine is hidden right now while you're watching this video, but you want to copy this, paste it somewhere safe. You're going to be giving this information to Claude. All right, let's go ahead and hit next. Now, we've already got our social media channels connected. If you want to connect more, you could go ahead and do so. So let's hit next again. And as you can see, we've got different options here. I could connect it via N8N. I could connect it via Cloud Code, MCP. There's so many different ways. So go ahead and make your choices, and let's go ahead and continue. And now once you're done, you can click on Go to API Dashboard, and let's go ahead and click on that now. All right, so we're ready for the next step. So here we are at Claude.ai, and what we're actually going to be building is an actual assistant that we can actually use at any time. So on the top left here, you're going to click on this little icon to open the sidebar. From there, you're going to go down to Customize. And now over here, you're going to see that there's skills, there's going to be connectors, there's going to be other things here that we can use, such as plugins and memory. We want to be on connectors here. Next, you're going to select the Add button. And specifically, you're going to click on Add Custom Connector. Now in the name section, you're going to type in Blotato. And next, in the Remote MCP Server URL, we're going to click on the API settings section in Blotato, and we're going to go to the Claude.ai web section where it says URL, copy that, and go ahead and paste that in right here. That's all you have to do. You can now click on the Add button. And now you see this Connect button comes up. Go ahead and click on it now. At this point, we want to approve the access. And now we should have the Blotato MCP connected here. So to give it a try, let's see if it can actually pick up what skills are available to me through the Blotato MCP. So I'm going to ask it if it has access to my Blotato. And there you have it. As you could see, my Blotato is connected, and it's got access to creating posts, scheduling posts. It's got access to viewing comments and doing so many other things. So now back in Blotato here, if I click on the left side and I go over to videos, you're going to see that there's so many different types of videos and infographics and other things that can be created. Now, the goal is to save ourselves time. Now, if you're a content creator like me, you probably have some videos already. And the challenge that I've got is that I've got this incredible content, and it takes time to actually record these things. Now, to manage so many different social media channels takes a long time. What if I could take one of these videos and have several pieces of content created for me? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to choose this one here, the history of modern AI, and let's select that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL for this video and I'm going to copy it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the video summarized. But how do we do that? Well, the nice thing is Blotato has a transcript summarization feature. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Claude to actually do that for us using Blotato. Can you use Blotato and summarize this video? And all I have to do now is just paste the URL, just like that. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So let's click on Always Allow. And as you can see, it summarized the video. So now comes the really interesting part. As there's so many different social media platforms, each social media platform has a different way of actually, pushing out a message. So now let's ask Blotato to actually generate a TikTok video for us. Using the summary above, use Blotato to generate a TikTok video. And as you can see, it's now actually working towards creating a really cool video. Now it's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes to actually complete, but to see where your actual videos are being generated, let's go back to Blotato here. On the left side, if I click on videos again, you're going to see it's actually showing up right here. Now you can start to see the power of this thing because you don't even need to know any programming. You could simply just tell Claude what you want to do, and then it's going to go and do that, saving you massive amounts of time. And here's the video. Let's actually check it out.
The history of modern AI shaped everything we use today. Let's break down how we got here. Era 1, the model era. OpenAI started as a non-profit in 2015. Safety first. But money was the problem. GPU costs were insane.
So as you could see, we've got this really cool video with a voiceover already there. So now this is really good for saving a lot of time, and you can imagine what we could do now. So at this point, if I want to know the specific tools that Blotato has access to, I could simply ask right now. So what specific tools do you have access to with Blotato? Now there's a lot of different tools that you can use. Specifically, the one that I'm looking for is called Blotato Create Visual. And I want to write a LinkedIn type of post. At the same time, I've got certain brand colors, brand items, even my own voice that I want to make sure that match my actual output and tone. So this, for example, is something that I've already created. But if you don't have, a brand kit or something around your own colors, your voice, and the way you actually, are branding yourself or building your entire ecosystem out, it's something that I highly recommend that you do. So I'm going to take that image there with my brand colors and information. I'm also going to put the actual colors and my brand information here as well inside of a post. I'm also going to let Claude know what my brand colors are. And I'm going to tell Claude to remember this. So now that I've got it this far, what I want to do is I want to actually create some really cool posts for LinkedIn, for X, and for other places. I'm going to actually create a post for X, and I'm going to make it a multi tweet sort of post if you've ever seen any of those. And I'm going to say at the very end of it, make sure you put a link to my actual video here. So I've put here, can you create a multi-tweet post with Blotato with images using my brand for the history of modern AI video, and make sure to link that video at the end of the post. Then I put the video URL, and then I say, ask me any clarifying questions. So I'm actually going to go ahead and run that now. And so as you can see, it's asked me a few questions. So I'm going to answer these now. All right. So now that I've actually had it, go over the tweets, I answer all the questions. I'm now going to give it the approval to go ahead and start generating the images and post it to X. I am so excited to see what's going to happen next. This is going to be huge. All right. Let's go take a look now. Oh, check this out. The history of modern AI, how we got from OpenAI's founding to the agentic revolution. Wow, this is incredible that we actually have all the tweets done. It literally links right to my YouTube channel. And it's this is incredible. The amount of time that I just saved. And the biggest power move here is now that I've actually got this via the web, I can actually go to Claude.ai on my phone from anywhere in the world at any time and simply now just type in, create a post for this, or create an infographic for that. Can you imagine how easy that is? We're living in this incredible time now that you can actually do this. I am so excited. So there you have it. Now you see how Blotato works, some of the cool things that we could do with it, and saving a lot of time. I mean, that's the whole point. Listen, if you want to get started today, go ahead and click on the link below and check out Blotato. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.